Good morning, my good students. Welcome to the online class. Today we are going to learn the poetic device in this poem. Book page number 20. F exercise. Complete the table by identifying lines against the poetic devices from the poem. One example is done for you. Complete the table by identifying lines against the poetic devices from the poem. One example is done for you. Poetic devices. First one, alliteration, personification, repetition, imagery. Alliteration, personification, repetition, imagery. One example already there in this book. Alliteration. Already you are all know about poetic devices. Alliteration also you know about, personification, repetition, imagery. Alliteration means one letter will become more time. For example, use of the same consonants letter. You are all studying English sound, letter sound, 44 sounds. So consonant sounds also you know it. That consonant at the beginning of each stressed syllable in a line of verses. For example, watch these woods. W. That letter will become more time. W. This is a consonants letter. W. Next one, personification. Personification means a person who represent an abstract quality compared to the qualities. The act of attributing human characteristics to abstract ideas. To comparing human qualities between the human being or any other things. These two lines are personification lines. I'll read it. My little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmhouse near. My little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmhouse near. Author explained in this line, the poet's horse must have thought it strange. Queer na strange. Strange na the difficulty think pandra. Strange. To stop abruptly at a place where there is no farmhouse. The farmhouse illada the horse திங்கிங்கை வச்சு ஆத்தர் வந்து கம்பேர் பண்ணுறார். இந்த ஃபார்ம் ஹவுஸும் இந்த மஸ்ட் திங்க் அபவுட் குயர் அண்ட் ஃபார்ம் ஹவுஸ், கம்பேரிங் த டூ திங்ஸ். தட்ஸ் ஒன் பர்சானிஃபிகேஷன். நெக்ஸ்ட் ரெப்புடேஷன். Repetition means the act of doing or performing again repeats the event. The author used to write the poem lines repeatedly, 2 times or 2 more time. That is repetition. At the end of this poem, author repeat the same line and miles to go before I sleep. And miles to go before I sleep. Same sentence, author repeatedly without changes. Meaning also. Next one, imagery. Imagery means the ability to form mental images of things or events. Imagine. You also imagine so many things. Same like author also, poetry writer also imagine something. Imagine imaginary line have in this poem. The darkest evening of the year. In the evening time, you also see so many things. But author imagine his mind in this poem. The darkest, darkna, you can't see any other things. But comparing darkest and evening. Darkest and evening. Next, this also imaginary lines. Of easy wind and downy flag. Of easy wind and downy flag. Easy wind, you also know about the wind blowing mean you also your body also you also take some relaxation with the help of wind. The wind downy flag na snowfall. You think about snowfall in Atlantic Ocean have many slow. Sometime in December or November month, many of the country has snow falling. அந்த ஸ்னோ பனிக்கட்டி அந்த உழுகிறது மேலேருந்து அதையும் இந்த விண்டையும் கம்பேரிங் பண்ணுறாரு, இமேஜின் பண்ணி கம்பேர் பண்ணுறாரு. In this poem line, two imaginary lines are there. The darkest evening of the year and of easy wind and downy flag. Listen it one more time. Complete the table by identifying lines in the poetic device from the poem. One example is done for you. Poetic device, alliteration, personification, repetition, imagery. First one example. Was is woods. Watch is woods. Personification example. My little horse must think it queer to ask if there is some mistake. My little horse must think it queer to ask if there is some mistake. Repetition. And miles to go before I sleep. Two times repeat in the same line. And miles to go before I sleep. Imaginary line. The darkest evening of the year to easy wind and downy flag. The darkest evening of the year of easy wind and downy flag. Okay, my good student. Next class we will learn a new things. Bye. Thank you for watching this video.